Guys, I flopped so hard this morning. So hard that I had my alarm set for 8 a.m., okay? 8 a.m. Then I woke up at 9:15. Girl, I had a workout class at 9:30. So I got up out of bed, I put some clothes on, I called Uber and I said, please take me to my workout class. Keep in mind, it's 5 minutes away, like literally a 5-minute walk. But I took the Uber because I was like, I might get there faster. First of all, I paid $10 for this Uber. The Uber comes and gets me and there's like 50 freaking traffic lights. So I'm 1 minute late to my workout class and the lady says, sorry, you can't enter, which is completely valid. But now I'm discombobulated because when something in my routine doesn't go the way it was meant to go, now I'm confused. Now I'm like, should I go to a workout class? Should I go to a coffee shop? Should I go to the gym? Should I get showered? Should I get ready? I don't know what to do. But I'm taking you guys along with me because I have a very productive day in my life. I'm feeling pretty good. I'm feeling energized. I've been feeling good the past few days. I've been feeling like I could go to the gym. Today's gonna be a very busy day. I haven't worn a ponytail in so long, so if it looks like bad, just let's ignore that. This video is also sponsored by Vinader, but we're gonna get to that part of the sponsorship a little bit later because I have so much jewelry that I wanna show you guys, but it will be better when I actually start getting ready for the day, even though this has been my everyday jewelry, and if you know, you know, I've been wearing it for so long and I've been getting so many compliments on it. I might go to the gym for like literally 45 minutes to do some abs and do some weights. So let's go to the gym in my apartment building and let's get moving. Okay, I'm back from the gym. That was a good little ab workout. I did some Pilates abs, a little bit of Pilates legs. I did a few butt exercises at the end, and I did a 5-pound arm workout. So that was good. It's 11 o'clock right now. I still have my cycling class at 12, which is really extra. Normally I don't do 2 workouts in a day, but you know, before a trip, I feel like you get into grind mode about like, hey, I'm gonna be really fit before I leave. So that is my mentality there. In the meantime, I'm going to clean up my apartment. Have a little Lara bar. These granola bars are actually so good. This is the peanut butter flavor and I actually love it. Then I made my way over to my cycling class. I always go to YVR Cycle for any spin class that I do, and I absolutely love it. As you can see, the whole studio is so bright and colorful. It honestly is like overwhelming how loud and fun the class is. The instructor is literally yelling at you, but that is my favorite type of workout. And as you saw in the beginning of this video, I was so hyped up and energized, and I honestly think it's because I was doing spin class this whole week, and I think the energy was rubbing off on me. I got a coffee after my workout. I did a little new facial, took a shower, got ready, ordered some food. This is also my favorite food, so again, I was in a good mood today. I am done getting ready. The sun is out. I'm feeling amazing. I think everybody in Vancouver is feeling amazing and probably outside enjoying the sun because it hasn't been sunny in so long. If it is sunny in the place that you live, be grateful for it because there are some cities in the world that do not see the sun in about a month. But anyways, we have reached the point in the video where I get to talk about Vinader. I'm wearing all of their jewelry pieces right now, and this video video is sponsored by Monica Vinader, as I said earlier. This is a brand that I truly love and I'm so happy to be working with because I have not taken this jewelry off since I got it. It is so beautiful. It is high quality. I've been wearing it non-stop and it looks good with everything I wear. And also I'm so happy that Monica Vinader is a very sustainable brand. They have all the sustainable jewelry that you could desire, and all of their pieces are actually made with 100% recycled 18 karat gold and sterling silver. And they also feature ethnically sourced pearls, gemstones, and diamonds. The other great thing is that all of their packaging is also made from recycled material, and it's even recyclable. So honestly, they're absolutely killing it. Monica Vinader also has a repair and rewear program to prolong the life of pieces so that you don't have to actually buy more and you get to have a longer wear. So that way you get to wear more for less. I'm wearing almost every single piece that I received other than this sterling silver pair of earrings that I received, and I also got another pair of earrings that had this tiger's eye, and I believe that's the gemstone that's on my ring and was on the earrings. I also have a plain gold ring that is a staple everyday piece, and then I have this bracelet that I've also been wearing nonstop just because it elevates every single outfit, and I've been trying to be a little bit more classy with my jewelry. Same with this necklace. I have not taken this off in like probably the past month because I love it and I get so many compliments on it, and it's actually a locket, so I am desperate to find a little photo to put in here. And same with these earrings. I think that they are so cute and just the perfect gold earring for every single one of my outfits. Overall, if you're looking for some luxury jewelry, I highly recommend checking out Monica Vinader. I also have a 20% off discount code for you guys. For the 20% off discount, simply use my code Fernanda20 and all the details will be in the description box below. That is it for the sponsor in today's video, and we can continue on. Here I am. I just finished getting ready. Hello you guys, it is a different day. I'm here with Jacob. He's got crazy hair right now.
New hair, who dis?
You guys just saw me this morning get my eyelashes done. I haven't gotten my lashes done in so long, and I'm honestly obsessed. I feel like lashes is one of those things that just makes you feel 1,000 times prettier every time, and then I get them off and I'm wondering like what's missing, and it's always the lashes. So I'm feeling pretty good about them. I'm not gonna get my eyebrows done before Mexico, but I think I'm gonna get some brow tint and like tint them myself. But anyways, me and Jacob are on our way to a coffee shop this morning, gonna get some fuel, and I'm filming another video separately, which is like trying Vancouver coffee shops. So if that video isn't already up, either wait for that one or go watch it if it's already up. But anyways, we're on our way. We're going to Nemesis and I'm so excited. My outfit of the day, I'm just wearing this. It's not really an outfit that much, but I'm wearing this like pull up from Gymshark, I think, or maybe it's Gilly Hicks. I'm not actually sure, but I actually love it. It's so comfy. And then I'm wearing this brown jacket from Meshki. I'm wearing this one piece like bodysuit from 437. That's like leggings and a tank top like combined. And then I've got my chestnut Uggs and my aloe socks, which are like my absolutely favorite socks ever. Yay!
When you were younger, you didn't see things quite the same as you do now. But now you're older, you find that
the sun has peeked out. I'm looking crazy right now. Look at this sweater that like literally doesn't fit me. But I've just been editing this vlog. I leave for Mexico tonight and I'm so lost right now for like what is my priority. I feel like whenever I'm going away on a trip, okay, sorry, there's like literally dirty things all around me right now, but I am a mess right now, and that is the authentic truth. I feel like whenever there's a trip happening, I'm just like lost. Like I'm like, should I go shopping? Should I get my nails done? Should I buy new stuff? Should I pack? Should I edit? Should I pre-film? Like I don't even know what to do. I was gonna get my nails done and that feels like a priority, but I literally haven't packed and I have to leave my house in a few hours, so I feel like that is definitely more of a priority. So I'm gonna pack, I'm gonna clean up a bit. I don't really know what else I have to do, but we definitely have some things that we need to do. Okay, I've been packing for a while. I'm honestly so tired. My back is like aching, but I've actually made a lot of progress. I've got basically everything packed. I am a little bit hungry though, so I'm gonna make something quick to eat. This is what the bags are looking like. I bet you my parents are gonna be like, what the heck? Because they're definitely not bringing two, but I just need everything. This is what my apartment is looking like, so it's not looking the best it's ever looked, but it's what we're working with. My mom made me salmon yesterday and she left it at my house, so I'm gonna do some of that and then see if I have any veggies that I can eat before I leave so they don't go stale in my fridge while I'm gone. I've got so much extra food here. I'm gonna try to like eat a little bit of everything. I love whenever I have food like prepped already, and I want to get into doing more meal prep because it honestly makes everything so much easier. I made some rice the other day, which I love cooking because it lasts so long and it goes with everything. And then other than salmon and rice, I have cucumber, I have blueberries and grapes, which is kind of random, but it's what we have today. I literally devoured that. It was so good, and now it's time for dessert. I want to show you some mochi I got yesterday. I don't know if you guys have tried these mochis before, but they are so freaking delicious. I bought them yesterday with Jacob, but for some reason we got rid of the packaging, so they just look like this right now. But this is the strawberry flavor and it's coconut, so it doesn't actually have milk products. But let's take a little bite. It is so freaking good. It's 7 o'clock right now. I really want to see if I can get my nails done, but I don't know if I will be able to because everywhere closes at like 8 p.m. So I'm a little bit upset about that. I might be able to get my toes done, but I genuinely don't know about my hands. I'm finally finished packing. As you can hear, my Hatch alarm clock in all her beauty and all her grace at 1:21 in the morning is telling me it's time to go to sleep with the frequency music, but I'm so tired. That took so long to do. I don't know why. I thought packing was gonna be way easier. I didn't get my nails done, which is really freaking annoying because how could I not have nails on a trip to Mexico? That sounds so stupid and out of touch, but like as a girly that loves to take photos, as just a girly period, you know the nails make everything better, and I never don't have nails on a trip. So anyways, I'm probably gonna get my nails done in Mexico. In the meantime though, let's do a little night routine at 1:30 in the morning. Keep in mind I need to wake up at 5 a.m. to get to my flight at 6 a.m. So this isn't really great right now, but anyways, I wanted to show you guys. I just bought this I just bought this Current Body LED light therapy mask. Literally, look at this. It's a red light. I'm not gonna like use it right now just because I have self-tan on, I've got lashes on, I'm so tired, but I just wanna show you guys like what it is because I'm so excited. I've been using it the past week. Like, you're kidding. Oh, okay. I should probably not be doing that because it literally comes with like protection goggles that you should be using, such as these bad boys. But anyways, I'm so excited about this. I paid a pretty penny, as they say. Like, actually, I think I paid like $500, which is ridiculous. But something I love about having big girl money is that you can spend on the things that you really want and splurge. And you know, if you want to spend your money on this, so be it. So I'm very excited about this. I'm definitely going to use it in an upcoming either self-care routine, night routine, or glow up routine, just because I have been using it on my own and I think it'll be really funny and like fun to show you guys how I use it. Everything else is basically packed. You saw that took me so much effort to squish that luggage down. That was actually the death of me, but I finally got it to work. That was super humbling, but it works now, so I'm glad with that. I just ate so much unnecessary food, like so many grapes and so many blueberries. Not that that's like unhealthy by any means, but like I wasn't hungry and I just ate so much of it anyways because I don't want it to go bad in my fridge. I feel uncomfortably full. I packed most of my skincare already into my luggage, so we're gonna use some extra products that I have. I'm gonna be using the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, and then I'm gonna use the Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream just because they're both thick moisturizing. Also guys, I forgot to show you, these are the other Monica Vinader earrings that I got. I told you guys earlier in the video that I couldn't find them because I lent them to my mom, but I ended up getting them back, so I wore them this whole video. But again, I'm gonna say thank you to Monica Vinader for sponsoring this video. I have been wearing these pieces nonstop and they are coming to Mexico with me. I brought also some self-tan with me, so I'm gonna try my best to self-tan rather than get a natural tan, even though I know that sounds stupid, but I wanna protect my skin. I don't wanna get burnt in the sun of Mexico, so I'd rather just like self-tan, you know, get the benefit of it without getting the harm. Use a little bit of extra makeup remover. As much as I love using like rosemary oil and castor oil in my hair for hair growth, it genuinely grows your hair so much. I do feel like it might have helped cause my acne just because it was super oily. So I have been loving this Ordinary multi-peptide hair serum, and also I just recently got the Way hair serum for hair growth, and I've honestly seen a lot of difference using it. I'm just gonna add a little bit into my scalp. I'm also gonna add a tiny bit of this salicylic acid by Bubble on my problem areas, which is my whole forehead. Vibe. It is finally my bedtime. I'm so exhausted. I have a long day ahead of me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it till the end of the video, comment this emoji down below. Leave a comment down below because I read all of them. I try to like them all, and stay tuned for upcoming videos because Mexico content on the way. I'm definitely gonna do a what I eat in a day in Mexico, eating Mexican food for 24 hours, speaking Spanish for 24 hours. I wanna do a Mexico vlog. Make sure you're also following my Snapchat for daily updates. It's Fernanda.4252. Also follow my TikTok, Fernanda Ramirez with 2 A's in my last name, same with my Instagram. And yeah, I'm so excited for my trip and I'm so grateful for you guys. Honestly, you guys mean the world to me, and if you're watching till this point of the video, I appreciate you so much. I will talk to you in my next video.